How hard being single mom for you? Gaano po kahirap maging single mom?
Um, Mahirap.
Very hard.
Mahirap. Lahat ng hirap, titiisin mo.
Mm.
Lahat ng trabaho, papasokin mo kahit makipaglabada.
Any
Oh.
work, you're going to grab it because you need to support your child, di ba po? Because no one will help you. But I'm glad that your kids are studying po.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
studying, nag-aaral sila.
Nag-aaral po yung yung 5.
5 of them are studying.
Nakapagtapos na po yung iba. Paaral po ng mga kapatid ko.
How many of your child are finish high school?
College, high school.
College? That's good. And your siblings or sister help them to go to school?
Yes.
That's good of them. Are they working? Yung nakatapos ng college?
Ma'am, so, yung panganay ko po ay
Your first child?
ano po siya ng nurse.
He's a nurse. She's a
Papasok
nurse.
pa lang po, ma'am. Tapos yung isa po tapos po ng midwife.
The other one is midwife. Oh, they have
Tapos high school pa lang po
degrees.
yung mga sumusunod.
Then the other are high
elementary.
schools.
Yung bunso po, bali 4 years old. Papasok pa lang sa sunod ng daycare.
And
Yung
the
yun na lang
youngest
po yung
is going to school next year, kindergarten.